In the previous video, we introduced returns, volatility, and risk factors. To analyze these variables, we need data, but financial data can appear in different forms. In this lesson, we will start with one of the most important types, that is cross-sectional data. Suppose we look at the stock market on a specific date. We can observe many companies at the same time. Each company has its own risk, its own return, and characteristics. Instead of looking across time, we are looking across different firms at one point in time. So, if we collect data for many companies on a single day, what kind of data is this? Is it time series data or something else? This type of data is called cross-sectional data. It refers to observations across multiple entities at a single point in time. In finance, these entities are usually firms, stocks, or assets. The key idea is simple. We fix a point in time and we observe many entities at the same time. So instead of tracking one company over time, we compare many companies at once. For example, we can look at returns of different stocks on a date 15 August 2023 on the screen. Each stock has a different return. Some are positive, some are negative. We can also compare firms' characteristics like market capitalization, price to earnings ratio, risk measures like beta. So here if you see, each company has different values. This snapshot across firms is cross-sectional data. Cross-sectional data is often used to compare firms. We may ask questions like, do larger firms have lower returns? Do high-risk firms earn higher returns? These are cross-sectional relationships. One important point, cross-sectional data does not focus on time. It captures a single snapshot. There is no time series dimension here. Cross-sectional data is useful when we want to compare different firms at a given point in time. It is widely used in asset pricing, factor models, and portfolio analysis. Now that we understand cross-sectional data, the next step is to look at another important type of financial data, that is time series data. Instead of comparing many firms at one time, we will track one variable over time. Till then, thank you for watching, and as always, happy learning.